LG PCB, this the right type PCB for this panel, this LG panel, Philips TV, and then in the event that you have a brand new soldering iron. So how do you go about this? What should you know about a brand new soldering iron? Something I may not have explained in previous tutorials. So you just got this, for instance, and then you want to use this for cuff soldering or manual bonding. Particularly for manual bonding, not just to repair cuffs, but to bond them to PCBs. Like in this case, you want to be able to bond this PCB to the this cuff rather to the PCB. You understand? So now you have the iron, brand new. It's all new. Usually these soldering irons have this limited length. I mean, this cord that is limited in length. This cord now will be about, let's see, just so I can capture everything on camera. This will be about, okay, I think I have a tape measure. Let me just fetch it. Alright, so let's see. So using inches, let's see how long it is. Grab it from the other end. Put them together. Okay. Pull towards you. Move further. All right. So this is about. Is this 57 inches? Right? Yeah, 57 inches. This one is fairly long compared to the one I have here. This one is let's see. Hold on, this is out. Careful. So let's see how long it is. Okay. This one is very short. It's okay. No, not too short. It's 53, roughly 54. Now let's just yeah, 53, 54 inches long. There are some that are even shorter, like the one you got. That one was probably less than 40. That's maybe about 40. Yeah, it was pretty short. So when you have soldering irons like that, cords that short, it's not a problem if you're using them for PCB repairs. You know, like the ones that are attached to hot air rework stations. You understand? Those ones usually are pretty short. Okay, let me show this one here. This. Okay, now look at this. This is one that comes with the workstation. My. Okay, let's check. Oh, careful. That's 38 inches. So I should have shown. So 38 inches long. Okay, so you see, if you're using these, irons like this for PCB repairs, like for boards or timing control circuits, motherboards, yeah, timing control boards, you understand? Not a problem using this. But if you're working on TV panels, LCD panels, and you know that customers can come in with an 85-inch panel, what do? So that's why I'm talking about this now. Let me show you this one here. Now look at this soldering iron.